Are you searching for a budget-friendly microphone to do YouTube, podcasting, or live stream? Well, today we're unboxing and reviewing the Neewer N7000 Condenser USB microphone. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Welcome to IRA Mobile Tech Review. On this channel, we give you the latest tech news, views, reviews, and interviews. Today, we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Neewer N7000 USB condensed microphone. What is a condenser microphone? Condenser microphones are constructed with a lightweight diaphragm which is suspended by a fixed plate. Sound waves cause pressure against the diaphragm, which causes it to move. Because of the thin diaphragm and increased sensitivity, condenser mic are often used to pick up delicate sounds. In other words, guys, these type of mics should only be used in a fixed area. It should not be a mic that you would walk around with. It should just be in one stationary position. Now that we have gotten that out of the way, let's get on with the unboxing. Okay guys, let's do this. I see the brand, Neewer. Let's get this off here. Alright, so it's a Neewer Condenser Microphone Kit. Stable, low noise. Right here it says portable, but it's a condenser microphone, so I don't know about portability. I don't know about that. It should not be portable because condenser microphones are supposed to be stationary, supposed to be like just one place at your desk. So maybe that was a mistake on their part, putting portability there. Okay, let's get through this unboxing. Okay, alright, so the first thing I see as I'm unboxing this, you can see the manuals. But you know me, I really don't do manuals. This microphone, it comes with what we call a pop filter. This ensures that the microphone doesn't pick up any sounds unnecessarily. It comes with a USB A to B lead so that your microphone can be plugged directly into the computer. Let's see what else is here. Alright, so next we see the actual microphone. I love gold, so I went for the gold and black color. Look at that, beautiful, very beautiful. Lovely. Alright, so this kit, it also comes with a windshield. This prevents any form of wind noises from coming onto the microphone. Very handy. The stand comprises of 3 components. This is a cage in which the microphone will be mounted. That's the cage. You also have the arm. This is the arm. And this is the clamp that will clamp the arm to the table. And there you have it. So let's get this box out of the way and put this to work. there it is, guys. I'm just loving this gold. So I removed the windshield from it. Yeah, but you know, yeah, I can put it back whenever I want, but I'm just loving this gold. So I'm just gonna take the windshield from it for a little while. Love rocking that gold. Alright, so let's see what this microphone can do. So okay guys, so this is it. So this is a setup. I've connected the microphone to my laptop, and now it can be used for my live streaming on YouTube. You know, I have a YouTube channel, Keeping Up with the Ashmeads, and we plan on doing some live streaming very soon. So this is a setup, and this is just the beginning. As time goes by, we'll improve on the setup, but this is a setup for now for our live streaming. I'm really loving this gold. I'm loving it. I'm loving this gold. Okay, so let's test this microphone. So right now, I'm about 2 to 3 inches away from the microphone, 1 foot away from the microphone, 2 feet away from the microphone. Okay, so let's test the audio for singing. It's coming down, 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 it's coming down. When the glory of the Lord is coming down. Hallelujah, when the saints begin to pray, and the Lord shall have his way. When the glory of the Lord is coming down. So there you have it, guys. The Neewer NW-7000 is definitely a keeper. If this video was beneficial to you, remember to click the like button, share, and tell a friend about it. Please consider subscribing if you're not already a subscriber. Also guys, click the link right here to subscribe to my family channel, Keeping Up with the Ashmeads. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and we will see you in the next video.